You know, it's probably hadn't come along yet, frankly. I look, you remember the old rock and roll song, I need a new drug? Well, I need a new case. I need something that I've never done. But I suppose we have so many highs and so many lows, it's hard to figure out. We kind of have a saying around here, if you get a victory, you better savor it, because an ass kicking is coming around the corner.
Yeah.
And inevitably it's ebbs and flows. Of course, probably the highlight of any lawyer's career would be to argue a case in the U.S. Supreme Court.
Mm-hmm.
And Betsy and I have been fortunate enough to be there 3 times. And that's always a high. I had a law clerk this summer, and we won a case in '92 that's become a very significant precedent, and had to do with the Sixth Amendment, as a matter of fact. The Sixth Amendment says that in all criminal prosecutions, the accused shall enjoy the right to a speedy and public trial. And our case involved, what does a speedy trial mean? What in the world did the forefathers mean when they put that in here? And we had a gentleman named Mark Doggett. Mark lives in Reston, Virginia, and he had been indicted in Jacksonville, Florida back in the 80s, and he was not aware that he had been indicted, and he was arrested 8.5 years later on his way to work, as having in that 8.5 years married, had 2 children, gotten a college education. And he came to me, and I said, boy, that ain't very speedy. If you get indicted and you don't even know about it, and you get arrested 8.5 years later, let's file a motion to dismiss.